Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring your MacBook runs Big Sur or later, because widgets require system support. Once done, click the date/time in the menu bar or open Control Center and choose Widgets to reveal the panel. Make sure to click Edit Widgets right away. This gives you the first actionable options to add, resize, or remove items. You're moving from Setup to Hands-on. Pick a widget category, then drag it into the Today view to place it. Now you'll add and configure widgets for immediate usefulness. Drag a widget from the gallery into Today view and choose size, small for glanceable data, medium for more info, large for dashboards. You can personalize most widgets. Tap one to open its settings and select accounts, locations, or sources so the data matches you. To save space and cycle information, stack widgets by dragging one on top of another. Once stacked, swipe to rotate or set Smart Rotate to surface the best widget when needed. Finish by organizing and locking your widget setup so it stays useful. Reorder items with drag and drop until the layout feels logical. On some Mac OS versions, you can lock or limit changes in system preferences. Remove unwanted widgets with Edit Widgets or right-click and choose Remove Widget to declutter. If a widget shows stale or missing data, check App Permissions, ensure background refresh and internet are enabled, and restart the app or widget. This simple troubleshooting step resolves most sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.